wisdom bag is for everyone. Grateful, Jesu 天的 confident， 勇气不息的 challenge， sem como improve， do that unload the improve， do that unload the opportunity， acquaint Be grateful for the day so bright. Stay confident with all your might. A challenge comes with all your might. A challenge comes, don't be afraid to improve your skills. See progress made. An opportunity is here to stay. Wisdom back.